giant male Dobson fly. I keep my duck eggs in my pantry and heard a lot of commotion in there and found this. A spider came back to molt in the same place on a book 4 times. A soot-covered spider web. Gators at night in Florida. The security system, striking at crime, one lock at a time, was mowing the lawn and discovered this absolute unit of a stick insect, 35 cm, was told to post him here, just casually chilling in our beach house bathroom. Don't know whether to put the drying clothes back inside or repent for my sins. Asparagus clouds, Gorham, New Hampshire. Upside down dried out aloe ferox leaves which the sea washed ashore. Why nature? Tarantula infected with Cordyceps. I saw some ants carrying a glove up a lamp. Let's go paddle boarding, they said. This banana blossom. I forgot a bag of potatoes in my room go about 3 months, and they're literally sprouting through the joints. This stump I came across that looks like a wooden sarlacc. Look at this turtle. It surfaced by the boat. The new child safety latch is working a treat. You don't see this every day, a catfish eating an armadillo. An artichoke I was eating had teeth of its own. My friend's plant that looks like tarantula's legs. Wasps emerging from a statue. Mother centipede hugging her babies. Sioux Falls, South Dakota turned green, no filter, during a huge storm tonight. The snapdragon flower when it dies. It has the body of a spider and wings of a moth. Northeast Oklahoma, fat moth or butterfly, one of the weirdest deep-sea creatures. These clouds that look like the ocean. Looks like a creature from a Tim Burton movie. 150 tarantula spiderlings produced in my bedroom. This snake was found coiled inside a toilet. This sea creature. The horrific mouth of a lamprey, blood-sucking parasite. This one was over 120 centimeters, 47, long and as thick as a man's arm. At a nature park, we decided to go to a bird show. The young boy in the green kept pulling his zipper up and down. The wedge-tailed eagle did not like it.